Cicadas by Helen Frost and read by Mr. C, the teacher. Cicadas have 6 legs. Cicadas have 4 wings. 2 long top wings cover 2 short bottom wings. Cicadas have 2 large eyes and 3 small eyes. Cicadas have a drinking tube. Young cicadas are called nymphs. They can live underground for many years. Then they come above the ground. Cicada nymphs shed their exoskeletons many times as they grow. Adult cicadas leave their exoskeletons on tree trunks. Adult cicadas live in trees and grass. Male cicadas make a loud buzzing sound. The buzzing sound attracts female cicadas.